How to install shaders on Minecraft. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to install shaders on Minecraft. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The shaders function does not come by default in Minecraft Java Edition, which requires the external installation and download processes. But the whole process is quite simple. You will mostly need Optifine, does all the magic behind the codes. The second requirement is the shader packs themselves. So first, update your Minecraft. Open Minecraft Launcher, you will see a drop-down menu in the lower left corner that says Latest Release. Check if it says 1.20.4. If not, choose version 1.20.4. Press play now. It will start downloading the latest version. After completing the download, the game will start automatically. Close it and go to the next step. Now, go to Optifine download page and run the Optifine installer. In the window that will appear, click on Install. Once finished, a pop-up message will indicate that Optifine has been successfully installed. Tap on the OK to continue. Now, open Minecraft Launcher from the drop-down menu and choose the profile that Optifine created. Now press on the play button. Upon startup, you will see the Minecraft 1.18 is modified, indicating that Optifine has been installed correctly. So this is how you can install shaders on Minecraft. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.